Hi everyone, welcome to the 3 Minute Math YouTube channel where we go over the solutions to contest math problems in 3 minutes or less. Our next problem is from 2000 AMC, question A. 3 dice with faces numbered 1 through 6 are stacked as shown. 7 of the 18 faces are visible, leaving 11 hidden faces. Back, bottom, between. The total number of dots not visible in this view is. So we can start solving this by looking at the number of dots on one dice. Right? So one dice is going to have 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, plus 5, plus 6, which if you add it up is going to be 21 dots. Now if we have 3 dice,